Ever wondered how a British high street brand like Marks Spencer's has stayed relevant for over a century? Let's take a quick dive into what makes Marks Spencer so iconic and who exactly they're speaking to.
Come on, that's good. From your account.
Actually, we are going upstairs to men's section so we can do our, we can find some nice pieces. We can see what they have on offer. They have by the way, Bilal, they have a skincare as
Yes.
well. And
They have a skincare and men's clothing section is also upstairs.
they also have a very nice fragrances as well. So this is their beauty section.
Some grooming, shaving, soap and bowl. Luxury shaving kit.
I think Bilal, these shoes are on sale. No?
No.
But I think they have products on sale as well. अच्छा, मार्क्स स्पेंसर्स का ये है ना कि मैंने पर्सनली मुझे जो ब्रांड पसंद है या तो वो ज़ारा है और या मैं रिवर आइलैंड जाता हूँ नॉर्मली. मार्क्स स्पेंसर्स मैं कभी ख़ास तौर पे क्लोथ्स के लिए नहीं आया. आई नॉर्मली कम है फॉर देयर बॉडी सोप्स एंड बॉडी वॉश एंड ऑल द आपके जितनी भी टॉयलेटरीज होती हैं वो सारी आप यहाँ से बहुत अच्छी मिलती हैं, बहुत अच्छी प्राइस पे भी मिलती हैं. एंड okay, so these ones are on the 50% off.
Your product sounds same.
So this is their, I think, summer collection. इनके शर्ट्स बहुत मज़े के हैं. बिलावल, what do you think? I think this one is very nice.
This stuff is very good.
This
See
one is
this?
for 40
Kiतना?
pounds.
इसका सब कितना मजे का.
Yeah, this one is nice as well. I even like this. See, if you pair this up with, see, Bilawal, it's gonna look really nice.
Complete look. ऐसा लग रहा है किसी ने पहनी हो. खड़ा हो, नीचे से देखो, पाँव से देखो.
Look at the bags. I like the bag. Look at this one. It's so nice. Bilawal.
Complete.
How much is it, Bilawal?
See, look
It looks nice.
how. It's 35 pounds.
It looks nice. Can I try? Can you
Yeah,
hold it
sure.
and let me know?
Give me.
How's it looking? They're very nice. I have seen some other shirts over there as well below.
Come.
पता है इनकी जो क्वालिटी होती है ना बनावट वो भी बहुत अच्छी होती है. देखो बिकॉज इसके अंदर ये वाला कलर है ना, इसके अंदर हल्का सा वो शेड है, सो यू कैन पेयर इट
With?
these ones. See, this looks nice.
No. I think so कि ये जो कलर है सेंटर वाला ना, इस कलर के साथ अगर इसको ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से कैरी किया जाएगा. No.
नहीं मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है इसके साथ अगर पेयर अप किया जाए तो.
See look at this one.
मुझे पर्सनली ब्लॉक प्रिंट्स नहीं अच्छे लगते. इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा आपको बहुत जिम फिट होना पड़ता है. Then you're gonna look really nice. अच्छा यहाँ पे है सही.
Last chance to buy. No.
बिलावल आपको पता है इनका कैफे भी है अंदर. लेट मी शो यू.
Okay. This one?
Most of their shirts are like 40 pounds, and for trousers you can say like 50 pounds.
Yes.
लेकिन अगर आप कंपेयर करें आई थिंक ज़ारा को और मार्क स्पेंसर्स को, सो आई डेफिनेटली गो विद ज़ारा पर्सनली. If you compare it with I think Mark Spencer's with Zara, personally I would go for Zara because Zara have more variety and more designs than Mark Spencer's. What do you think about it?
Yes, you are right. Actually, Zara का जो फैब्रिक है या Zara का जो कलेक्शन है या जो डिज़ाइनर है ना, वो थोड़ा सा चीज़ों को मॉडर्न उसमें रख के बनाता है हमेशा. ये है ना यहाँ पे मतलब थोड़ी
स्पेसिफिक ऑडियंस.
हाँ. Home accessories. So
Hello guys, so we are done with the review today for Mark Spencer's. I would say they have a very specific audience. The people, like the audience they're gonna shop from Mark Spencer's, they've been doing like shopping from them I think for a long time, and that's why they have a very like specific targeted audience. Personally, I mean if they have a very special piece that I would go for. I think their shirts are really nice, and other than that I don't think that I'm gonna go and buy something from them. But yeah, it was a nice experience. What do you think about this, Bilal?
जहाँ तक मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि इनके पास जितना भी कलेक्शन है ये ओल्ड एज पीपल्स के लिए है. उसके डिज़ाइंस,
उनका सब कुछ जो पैटर्न
उनका
है,
कलर,
इवन के जो अंदर
है,
जो थे वो भी थे.
हाँ,
क्लाइंट्स
ज़्यादातर
कस्टमर्स भी थे.
कस्टमर सब ओल्ड एज.
हाँ, वो ज़्यादातर एज के थे. You won't see like someone our age shopping in Mark Spencer's. So yeah, that was the review, guys. Now we are waiting for our bus to go back to our house. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.